Hello guys, ¿cómo están? Espero que muy bien. We're going to continue today chapter 11, geometry. I really like this chapter, this topic. I really like geometry. So I'm going to give my best effort to explain you the lessons, okay? Now, we have three lessons for today. Triangles, quadrilaterals, and circles. Okay? Now, let's go with the first one. It's about triangles. You already know what is a triangle, but there's something you should know. To classify a triangle, we can look at the length of its sides and the side of its angles. Okay? For example, I have this triangle. The name of this triangle is isosceles triangle. Why this triangle have this name? Okay, because two sides of the triangle are the same measured. Okay? They have the same measured. Perfect. Now, and it can also have two angles that are the same degrees. Okay? That is the isosceles triangle. Now, we have this triangle. The name for this one is equilateral triangle. Why this triangle have this name? Because the three sides are the same measure. Okay? Miden exactamente igual. And the three angles are the same. Okay? Perfect. Now, we have this triangle. This triangle is like the weirdest one, o el más raro, okay? The name for this one is the scalene triangle. This triangle doesn't have any sides or angles that are equal, okay? Aquí nada es igual. Okay? Now, this is by this is how we classify the triangles. Now, también los podemos medir. We can also classify by its greatest angle measure. Ustedes ya saben lo que es un ángulo, ¿ok? For example, this one is the right triangle. Why right triangle? Because I have a little square. Every time you see a triangle that has a square is right triangle. Okay? Now, if you don't remember the angles of the last lessons. Okay? This is the angle, and every time we see a square, the angle is 90 degrees. Okay? Perfect. Now, this one. This one is the acute triangle. Do you remember what is an acute angle? If not, look this. Remember, this is of the last lessons. So, the acute angle is less than a right angle. That means that this triangle, the angles are less than 90 degrees. And the last one is this one. Okay? This is the obtuse. Obtuse angle is greater than a right angle. So that means, guys, that this angle is more than 90. Okay? Good job. This is how we can classify a triangle. Now, next lesson is 11.5. 11.5 is about quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So, doesn't matter the figure, and if con tal que tenga at least four sides, is a quadrilateral. There are a lot of quadrilaterals that we know. For example, this one. Do this figure has four sides? Yes. So it's a quadrilateral. Okay? But this one have a different name. Aparte que es cuadrilátero, también se llama parallelogram. ¿Por qué parallelogram? Okay. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel. That means that this side and these sides are parallel. Do you remember what is parallel sides? If not, look this. If there is no point of intersection, the lines are parallel. Okay? And this line with this line, do you think they are parallel? Yes. So that's the name, that's the reason this figure, it's named parallelogram. Okay? This one is easy for you. This is a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram, but first, guys, do you think that rectangle is a quadrilateral? Yes, because it has 4 sides. Now, it says that rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. Okay? It says that the rectangle es un paralelogramo también. Why? Because this side with this side are parallel. And this side are parallel too. And it has 4 right angles. Okay? How many degrees is a right angle? 90 degrees. Good job. Now let's continue with other one. This is a square. This is easy one. A square is a rectangle with 4 sides equal in length. Okay? It means that the sides of the square, the 4 sides, this one, and this one, have the same measure, son igualitas. Okay? And it also have 4 right angles. Okay? That is the square. This one, se parece. It looks the same as this, but no, guys. This is a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 sides equal. That means this side, and this side, and this side have the same measure. Miden igual. But guys, question. Do the rhombus can be a square? No. Because a square has 4 right angles. And a rhombus, no. Okay? Good job. Let's continue. The last one is the trapezoid. Okay? Trapezoid. This is really easy to identify. This is really easy because the shape or the figure is different to the others. Okay? But the meaning of the trapezoid, it says that it's a quadrilateral with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. The trapezoid only have 2 lines that are parallel. These ones. It means that this one and this one are parallel. Question, guys. Do you think that this line and this line are parallel? No, they are not parallel. Porque en algún momento van a chocar. Okay? So this is 11.5 about quadrilateral figures. Okay. And the last one for today are circles. Okay? A circle is a closed figure that is not a polygon. Okay? Remember, circle is not a polygon. All of the points on a circle are the same distance from the center of the circle. Okay? For example, I have this big circle over here. A red big circle. Okay? Now, I'm going to put the point exactly in the middle or in the center. And I'm going to put A. So the name for this circle is, or a circle is named by its center. So if I want to say the name of this is circle A. Si la letra fuera una P, sería circle P. Okay? Now, if I draw a line, do you see this line? Question, do this line touches the center? No. This line doesn't touch this point. So if a line that doesn't touch the point, the center, the point that is in the center, it's, and I'm going to put B and C, okay? So if the line that doesn't touch the center, it's chord, okay? Chord. The name of a line or a segment that doesn't touch the point that is in the center is chord. In this case, this is segment BC. Okay? Segment BC. Okay, now I'm going to draw another line. This one. Question, guys. This line touches the point of the center? Yes. I'm going to put letters. So this one is segment DE, right? Now, every time you see a line that touches the center, the point that is in the center, like this one, the name is diameter. Okay? Diameter. Perfect. Now, I'm going to draw the last line for today. This one. Question, guys. Do the blue line touches the point of the center? Yes. Pero, ¿esta llega al otro lado como las otras? Esta solo llega a un pedacito. I'm going to put letters. Okay? So, this is segment AF, right? If you see a line that touches the point that is in the center, pero que es bien chiquitito, que solo toca un ladito, no el otro, the name is radius. Okay? Radius. Okay, guys? This is everything for today. I told you, this is really easy. I hope que hayan aprendido. Si no, you can ask me whatever you want. Okay? Bye.